Pop's Bees, good morning. This is swarm catch number 75 that we just boxed earlier that my grandson was telling y'all about. They wouldn't go in the box. So, we're putting them in the house now. Bunch of bees in that swarm. Bunch of bees. Don't know that we'll see Mama. Don't know that Mama will stay. Probably should put a queen excluder down. But they spend all night outside. So maybe that'll be some motivation to make a new home. They're locked and loaded, ready to draw wax. That's a frame that was already drawn that I put in there just to make it feel like home. They're cleaning it up already. Won't see Mama on that one. It's another drawn frame that I had in there. Lots of bees. Tapping me in my ear. Whispering sweet nothings in my ear this morning. No, it actually sounded like I would eat you alive. I'm guessing Mama's still in this box because the bees in that box are trying to get flighty. And we already know she can fly right now, so we definitely don't want to encourage that. There's another drone frame. Typically, there she is right there. There's Mama right there. So there's our queen. We're gonna put her in the box. She found a frame that she likes, so that's a good thing. So we seen Mama. We know Mama's in there. Had a bee under my finger and she didn't like being under my finger. So, throw the rest of these in here. Let these girls get to work on their home. Now that they are home. Getting a little agitated. That's okay. At this point, it's okay. There we go. Screen top for their comfort. That's the comb that they had drawn on the bottom of the box while they were hanging last night. So we got that out of there. Let's see if I can get these girls off the top. If any girls on the top, this ain't gonna make it. Alrighty, Pop's Bees, please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.